You're watching How Leap. If your iPhone is stolen, act immediately. First, use another device to go to iCloud.com or use the Find My app on another Apple device. Log in with your Apple ID in Find My, select your stolen iPhone, tap Mark as lost. This will lock the screen with a message and contact number. It also disables Apple Pay. Next, tap Play Sound to help locate it if it's nearby. If recovery seems impossible, tap Erase this device to delete all data remotely. This protects your personal information. Immediately change your Apple ID password and other important account passwords from a secure computer. Report the theft to your local police and provide them with the device's serial number and IMEI. Finally, contact your wireless carrier to suspend service and block the phone from their network. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.